Today's word is mosasaur. It means a large, extinct marine reptile of the Cretaceous period, with a long body, powerful jaws, and flipper-like limbs. Here are two examples using this word. The fossil of a mosasaur discovered in the Kansas plains showed it was a dominant predator of the ancient seas. With its formidable teeth, the mosasaur likely preyed on fish, turtles, and even other marine reptiles. Some synonyms and antonyms to help you understand the word better. Synonyms are marine reptile, sea lizard, extinct predator. Antonyms are living reptile, terrestrial dinosaur, modern fish. If you found this helpful, please subscribe, like this video, and hit the bell icon for more daily vocabulary words.